Oh, no. I'm being a for a few minutes, probably.
Oh my god. Okay, so anyways, yeah, that's the end of the video. Go and try this at home. Bye.
Close it.
Y'all are gonna have to do this until someone opens the
I'm not doing that. Ayla, just close it.
challenge.
Ayla, just close it.
Challenge.
Close it. Just
Oh, Dad, no, you got soap on it.
Just close it. No, I'm not doing the challenge. I know you can't see anything. It's so dark in here. I need help. I'm scared. Well, we got food in here if we're hungry. Well, not hungry yet. When I'm done, I'm going to show you all what I was in and what stuff is in here. I feel a little crowded. Oh.
Dodo.
This is what I was in. My refrigerator. Nothing.
Try this at home.
Y'all can try this at home, just in case. Bring a blanket. But it was not that cold because I have like a long sleeve shirt on, so I wasn't that cold.
I didn't get cold in there, and I'm wearing a tank top and shorts.
Yes, here.
Here is a 5-month-old pup. Now look at how big he is. Guys, who wants to go in the freezer next?
Me!
Oh my god, we're not gonna be able to get out.
This is my new dog. His name is Duke.
This is Duke.
He's my best dog friend.
God.
One of them. He's like, wait, y'all woke me up. Son of a gun. Now I'm about to show you my other dog that I got. Then I'm gonna end the video there. This is her. She's like, y'all woke me up.